In summary, this is Charts Always Sleep 15. We've had 3 phenomenal uptrends this year. We're in an 11-day uptrend. We just went through the week before option expiration, which often we hit pivotal lows, which I believe we have. And we're going into earnings season. We're super high stacked on the year with profits. And if I was trading this coming week, I probably would want to be pretty close to fully invested. My fully invested is at least 100%. Your fully invested could be different. Maybe it's 50%, whatever you're comfortable with. If I was trading this coming week, I would stay pretty close to fully invested, if not even more, because the market looks good. I probably would do what they call cheat the close. I would wait closer to see what happens at between 3:30 and 4 p.m. on Friday. You're going to get this video late Friday or early Saturday. But that's how you do it, is you wait. Like, let's just say you're 75% long and you want to be 100% long. At this point, you don't want to buy at 1:30 in the afternoon on Friday unless you're trading 5-minute rules of engagement. You're going to wait to see how we close. Wait 15 minutes to the close, see where we're at. 10 minutes to the close, and then look to add it. Obviously, our number one priority is trading the focus list, the ESFL, but I'm talking about trading on top of those positions with, let's call it SPY calls or QQ calls or DIA calls. That I would wait. I would cheat the close to see how we're going to close. And then you can allocate the risk accordingly. I will say this, and I've said I think the last 4 week before OPEXs, the market, at least so far this year, has had no memory at all of what's happened the week before OPEX. And it just seems to gap up on Monday and run. Now, I am definitely not predicting that, because at some point that pattern is going to break. You can't do that pattern for everyone. Forever. It'd be way too easy. But that so far has been the pattern. And once again, at some point, maybe it is this time around because we're heading into earnings season, that pattern changes. But once again, stay long, whatever your comfort level is versus your stop. In summary, we have the week before OPEX here in the SPX. Remember, talked about those pivotal lows right here. And then we raised our stops to here. And pivotal lows right here. This one wasn't even a pullback, right? But I would say if we break, the low is 28.73. I believe if we break 28.73, we're going to touch this rising 50 SMA. So stay long up in here. If we would break that level, when I'm out of town, I'm not trading, you know what to do. Start lightening up and anticipate a touch of this 50 SMA and then a regroup, where at that point, the next trade would be break of a downtrend line, right? Just like we saw when I opened the video of the Dow Jones of 1998, because right now we're still on that same pattern.